DeepMind's large-scale language model Alphacode has been hailed as having the potential to beat computer programmers by parsing algorithms and generating complex programs. DeepMinds developers tested Alphacode on a competitive programming site where human developers are given programming problems and ranked based on their results to validate its potential. It beat half the average human coder in that competitions. Alphacode is a transformer-based language model with 41.4 billion parameters. This is 4 times the size of GitHub Copilot's language model codex, which parses 12 billion parameters. Alphacode's AI system is pre-trained in various programming languages including C++, C#, Go, Java, JavaScript, Lua, PHP, TypeScript, Ruby, Scala, Rust and Python. Embracing the essence of programming, DeepMind launched its own programming contest and fed the results into its AI to fine-tune its model's performance. Researchers have found that Alphacode can generate a huge number of possible answers to coding problems, about 40% of which either exhaust all available system memory or the solution cannot be reached in a reasonable amount of time. DeepMind found that clusters of similar code gave better answers, while wrong codes were randomly distributed. By focusing on these answers, Alphacode was able to answer about 1/3 of the coding challenges correctly. But many human programmers are smarter, and as a result Alphacode only made it to the top 54%. This experiment is also attractive from the perspective of thinking about programming itself. Alphacode was not given any generic examples of what constitutes an algorithm, nor does it know if the internal representation of the problem contains anything that can be identified as an algorithm. The advent of Alphacode won't immediately put engineers out of work, but future evolutions will likely do just that.